Hi everyone, welcome back to CodeWoo Insider. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up your WordPress environment using LocalWP. This tool is perfect for developers and beginners even who want to create and test WordPress sites locally before deploying them live. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install LocalWP. First, head over the LocalWP website at localwp.com. Click on the download button and choose your operating system. Enter your credentials here. Get it now. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install LocalWP on your computer. Step 2. Create a new local WordPress site. Open LocalWP after the installation is complete. Click on the plus button or create a new site to start setting up your new WordPress environment. As you can see, this is the interface of our local WP environment. So simply to create a new site, we will click here on plus icon. Click create a new site. Select it and click continue. Enter a name of your site and click continue. Choose a local environment for beginners. I recommend sticking with the default settings which use the preferred environment. Click continue. Create your WordPress username, password and email. Make sure to remember these credentials as you will need them to log into your site. Simply click here add site. It will ask you for permission to make a website in your local computer. Now this is our newly site CodeWoo Insider. As you can see here, it is listed here. Now step 3. Configure site settings. Once your site is created, you will see it listed on the left sidebar. Click on to access it. Under the Overview tab, you can manage your domain site path and SSL settings. In the Database tab, you can access and manage your site's database using Adminer or PHPMyAdmin. Under Tools tab, it offers additional tools like Mailhog for catching outgoing emails. Now, let's move to the step 4. Accessing your local WordPress site. To access your WordPress site or to view your WordPress site, click on Open Site button. This will open your new WordPress site in your default browser. To access the WordPress admin dashboard, click on WP admin. You can click here. It will take you to dashboard. Now it will ask you about your credentials you use to set up your WordPress site. Login. Now I will tell you one more thing. You can access your WordPress admin dashboard from here using slash WP admin, enter. Now this is your admin dashboard. Now let's move to step 5, working with your local WordPress site. Now that your local WordPress site is up and running, you can start customizing it. Install themes. You can add any theme here. Add new theme. You can install anyone. Add new plugins and create a content just like you would on a live site. Remember, any changes you make here, it won't affect your live site, so feel free to experiment and test different configurations. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up your WordPress environment using LocalWP. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more web development tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy developing.